Welcome to our culinary journey today. In this video, we'll be exploring the delightful world of bean sprout stir-fry, a quick and healthy dish that's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Bean sprout stir-fry is a beloved dish in many Asian cuisines, and it's easy to see why. The dish is known for its simplicity, vibrant colors, and mouth-watering flavors that come together in just a matter of minutes. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a newbie in the kitchen, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a bean sprout stir-fry that's bursting with flavor. From the preparation of the ingredients to the final presentation, you'll learn all the tricks and tips to make this dish a standout in your culinary repertoire. But it's not just about the cooking. We'll also delve into the nutritional benefits of bean sprouts and why this dish is a fantastic addition to your diet. So, if you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure and savor a dish that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your health, stay tuned. Let's get started. Bean sprouts, often used in Asian cuisines, are a highly nutritious and versatile ingredient. These young sprouts are typically derived from mung beans and are known for their crisp, crunchy texture. Here's a breakdown of the nutritional benefits of bean sprouts. Bean sprouts are a low-calorie food, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Despite being low in calories, they are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Bean sprouts are an excellent source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C and various B vitamins. Vitamin C is important for immune system support, collagen production, and skin health, while B vitamins play a role in energy metabolism and overall well-being. They are a good source of essential minerals such as potassium, iron, and magnesium. These minerals are crucial for maintaining proper heart and muscle function, as well as overall health. Bean sprouts are a rich source of folate vitamin B9, which is essential for pregnant women as it aids in fetal development. Folate also plays a role in maintaining healthy cells and DNA. They contain antioxidants that help protect your body from free radicals, which can cause cell damage. These antioxidants contribute to overall health and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Bean sprouts are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. This makes them an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Bean sprouts are naturally low in fat, making them a heart-healthy choice. Their low-fat content helps reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Including bean sprouts in your diet can be a simple and delicious way to boost your nutrient intake. Whether added to stir-fries, salads, soups, or sandwiches, these crunchy sprouts not only add a delightful texture but also provide a host of health benefits. So, next time you enjoy a meal with bean sprouts, know that you're benefiting from a nutritious and tasty addition to your plate. First, let me introduce the ingredients. Bean sprouts 10.58 ounces, garlic 2 cloves, and ginger 1 piece. Trim the roots and any unwanted parts from the bean sprouts, then wash them and drain off excess water. Finally, mince the garlic and ginger. Heat a frying pan over medium heat, add vegetable oil, and then add garlic and ginger. Once the pan is over medium heat, heat the salad oil and add the garlic and ginger. Sauté garlic and ginger to mince. In about 30 seconds, the garlic and ginger will be fragrant. Add the bean sprouts to the pan and sauté over medium to high heat until wilted, about 3 minutes. Add soy sauce and sesame oil and mix evenly. Add a little salt and pepper to taste to complete the ministry. Cooking is complete, and the bean sprout stir-fry looks delicious. Thank you for watching all the way until the end.